Hey there, tech enthusiasts, welcome back to Tempcoder Tech. Today, we're diving into the world of network security and learning how to perform port scanning using PowerShell. Whether you're a sysadmin, developer, or just curious about network diagnostics, this tutorial is for you. Stay tuned. Let's start with a basic port scan. Open PowerShell and use Test-NetConnection to check if a port is open. Here's an example. In this example, we're testing the connection to example.com on port 443, typically used for HTTPS. You'll get information about the status of the port. Let's open Visual Studio Code or preferred text editor. Now, let's scan multiple ports using a loop. Here's how you can do it. We create two variables, one that holds the ports we want to scan and one for the address. In our for each loop, we loop through the ports to test one by one. And there you have it, a quick guide on port scanning with Test-NetConnection in PowerShell. It's a powerful tool for assessing the accessibility of ports and services on remote hosts. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Tempcoder Tech for more tech-related content. You can also visit our blog at tempcoder.org for written guides and additional resources. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.